Have you ever wondered how your Netflix account seems to know you better than you know yourself? Or how your social media feed is always filled with content that perfectly piques your interest? The secret lies in the realm of data science and artificial intelligence. Data science, in the simplest of terms, acts like a crystal ball that can predict your preferences. It's a field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. Imagine you have a large basket filled with different fruits. Now, if you want to know how many apples are in the basket, you might start counting one by one. But what if the basket is enormous, and counting each apple would take ages? Here's where data science comes in. It would take a snapshot of a small portion of the basket, count the apples in that snapshot, and then estimate the total number of apples in the entire basket. Now, let's dive into artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. It's like creating a virtual brain that can learn, analyze, perceive, and even understand human emotions. Imagine teaching a toddler to identify a dog. You show them pictures of different dogs, and over time, the toddler starts recognizing dogs on their own. This is exactly how artificial intelligence works. It learns from data, recognizes patterns, and then applies this knowledge to perform tasks. Now, when we combine data science and artificial intelligence, we get a powerful tool that can predict and influence human behavior. For instance, Netflix uses this combination to predict what show you might like to watch next, and then suggests it to you. To summarize, the magic that curates your Netflix recommendations or your social media feed is nothing but a combination of data, science, and artificial intelligence. Data science helps in understanding and interpreting the data, while artificial intelligence applies this knowledge to perform tasks and make predictions. So the next time you marvel at how accurately your social media feed reflects your interests, remember that it's not magic, but the power of data science and artificial intelligence at work.